We'll start by going to the Orem City's Library website by clicking here, and then we'll go to this search bar, the catalog. We're going to look up Harry Potter and the Chamber Secrets. And then we'll just press search. And we'll scroll here to find which copy we want. This is our title. We have our author here, and it's in a physical book format. So this is the one we're going to look for. Click on that, and we can scroll down and check if any are available. Looks like there is one available. We go to the left, we see it's in the north wing, top floor, and this will be the call number.